this is what you're going to need for doing half-boiled egg. Going to need oil and oil spray or oil. And you're going to need a glass bowl with an egg in it, some salt and some pepper. After you feel the hotness to it, spraying the oil or dumping it, like how I am now. Now we've got the oil in, take the bowl with the egg. We're gonna pour it in. Look what happened. Egg has started to boil real hard. Now we're going to take some salt, some pink salt, and we're going to put it in. Now, what you're going to do is take the pepper and also pour it in. Now, I'm going to check if it's cooked behind. It looks like it is cooked, so we'll flip it. Here you go. But now, the other side needs to cook, and then it's all ready to go. Now, let's check if it's ready so we can eat it up. Yup, it is ready as you see because it's got flattened. So now it's time to eat it up in it. Now my half-boiled egg is ready. So now it's ready to eat. So now I'm going to make another recipe, which is scrambled eggs.
Egg, onion, black pepper, cilantro, oil, and pink salt.
Now I'm going to turn on the stove.
Chopped onion. Now I have to fry it. Here I have pepper. I'm putting pepper on. And here I also have pink salt. I'm going to put that also. As you can see, it is nicely cooked. Now I'm going to add the egg. Egg, eggs, now I have to mix. So it's getting a little bit dry, so I'm gonna add some more oil. Mixing. Right now I'm making finely. It's an iron pan, so it will come tasty. Scrambled egg is now ready.
My brother helped me to cook this scrambled egg. I'm going to make egg cutting. For this, you're going to need a hard-boiled egg I already cooked and an egg cutter. First step, what you do, take the egg and put it on the egg cutting. Next step, the egg cutting silver part and cut the egg. Looks like nothing has happened to the egg, but something really has. Because of the lines and stuff, it looks different. We have to keep the hard-boiled egg horizontally, like the shape is right now. and I'm gonna cut another one, as you see. Beautiful. Now we're gonna take this one also out. Now I've made one egg this type of design and another egg this type of design. I chose cilantro to decorate mine. You can decorate your own with like pepper, spinach, or salt. But I chose this to show you how it is.